Chapter name is aldehyde and carboxylic acid. Now in aldehyde ketone carboxylic acid, basically what are the IUPAC name, what are that stuff I will not do because this is a class 11 topic. You can check, and the physical properties of all the element. This stuff you can check from your books. Okay. I am only going to the name reaction stuff. So write it down: aldehyde ketone and carboxylic acid, the name reactions. We are going to the name reaction. Okay. So in name reaction, first name reaction, which is known as esterification process. Okay. Esterification process. First reaction, which is esterification process. Esterification process, this process which is known as formation of ester. Okay. Now for formation of ester, look, suppose this one is the acid, OH, oxygen O18, or in this case just write down this one is the acid. When it react with alcohol, in alcohol we are writing O18 stuff. Okay. In present of concentrate H2SO4 with heat. Okay. Concentrate H2SO4 with heat. So how can you write down? In this case, it gives H plus ion. So this lone pair which can easily takes H plus ion. So after taking H plus ion, it becomes OH. Now the lone pair just attacked here. This one breaks. So what you get? RCOH. This bond is OH. Now this one is a OHR18. Okay. Is it clear? Now next stuff is how can you write this lone pair? Look, this bond is basically this OH bond, this single OH bond. That means I am taking this bond. This bond is comes due to when double bond of C double bond at O converted to single bond. So this bond comes here, this bond removes. When this bond removes, it can takes one H plus. So what you get, RC double bonded O, OH in short 18. Okay. So basically ester, what is the shortcut of these reactions? What are the shortcut, and water is also eliminated. Look, OH minus plus H plus, that means water is also eliminated. But the final product is this one. You have to write down this one is a major product. Okay. So in this case, what are the shortcut of the reaction? RC double bonded O, OH plus OH18R. Shortcut, you have to remove OH and H. That means you have to remove water. And what you get? You get RC double bonded O, water. This one is a ester. So basically, you have to remove one water molecule. And how can you remove water molecule? You have to remove OH from acid group and H from alcohol. Remember, OH you have to remove from acid and H you have to remove from alcohol. Okay. Is it clear? Any doubt regarding this part? This mechanism is clear for all. So this is about the esterification mechanism. Now, if suppose in between this one, suppose we are taking this one is a R1. So this value is R1. This one is also R1. Okay. Which is ester. Now, if R1 or R2. Suppose in between these two, R or R1, any one is tertiary group. Suppose we are taking R value is 3° group. That means 3° alkyl group. Example, go for the example. CMe3 C double bonded OH. Okay. When this one react with MEOH 18, how can you go through the reaction? Look, first step, this stuff, when this lone pair attack here, this compound like this way, OH, OH, and OMEH plus. This one is the 18. Now look, if you consider with this carbon, sp3 hybridized, highly steric enhance, due to high steric enhance bond angle, and high steric enhance and bond angle is 109 degree 28 minutes. So we can say this stuff is not formed. So this reaction can never take place because due to high steric enhance, highly unstable. Okay. So how can you go through these reactions? First of all, in this case, H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4, it contains H plus. So it accepts one H plus ion. So after taking H plus ion, it becomes like this way, Me3C OH2 plus. Okay, now this bond eliminate. After elimination of this one, we can write it becomes Me double bonded O positive charge, and this positive charge is highly stable. Why this positive charge is highly stable? Because lone pair back bonding. Now this CO is a good living group. Again, CO eliminate, so we get Me3C positive charge. Okay. Now after that, what you get? MEOH is present. Lone pair staff are present. This lone pair just added here. So we get Me3C O Me after removal of H plus. So instead of ester, we get ether. So always remember when R group is 1° or 2°, we get normal ester. But when R is 3°, then we get ether. Any doubt regarding this part? Tell me. Do you have any doubt? This stuff is clear for all. Any doubt? Okay. The mechanism is clear. The aldehyde ketone fast reaction, esterification reaction. If you go through your books, the main reactions are aldol, Cannizzaro, Parking, haloform. Okay, these 4 reactions I'll do, definitely do, and heating effect, these 5 reactions we'll do, definitely we'll do. Okay, all the stuff is clear. Okay, now going for the questions. How can you solve this one? First question, giving you first one. Always go for shortcut. With the help of shortcut, you can easily solve. OH remove, H remove. So removal of water. You get this one is what? This one is ester group. C double bonded O. Okay. Always remove OH group from acid and H group from alcohol. Okay. Next. In all the cases, H plus heat is given. H plus means concentrated H2SO4. Solve it, giving you 10-minute time quickly. Solve it. Completed all the stuff. Look, how can you solve first one? Again, removal of H, removal of OH. Add other stuff. That means methyl C double bonded O, 18 ethyl. OH, H, but this one is a tertiary group. For tertiary group, we get ether. Okay, this one is a, so how many bond? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6-member ring. This is cyclic ester. Next one, again OH, OH, 2 moles. So we get an H removed from here. So this O with C double bonded O with methyl, again here O C double bonded O with methyl. In this case, one equivalent, that means one bond it can be C double H, another should be changed, which becomes, in this case, look, in this case there is an exception, these two polymerization takes place. So OH, H, OH, H. So how can you write? Now, what is the name of the polymer? This is a cryptal polymer. Cryptal is inner lining in cryptal polymer. Which is required for inner lining or paint industry, or you can say. Okay, this one. Again, similar type of compound, similar reaction, similar type of polymerization takes place, which is called as a pteridine or dacron. Used in fabric industry. Okay. Now in this case, OH takes place, after that OH2, then this bond removes, again this bond removes. So what you get, MEC double bonded O, and this positive charge is highly stable. Now after that, H2 is a medium, so it get basically water addition takes place. So MEC double bonded OH. In this case, OH, H, OH, H. Okay. So what you get, CH2, CH2OH, OC double bonded O, OC double bonded O, this one. Now this stuff removed, it comes like this way. So it becomes 2 mole of carbon dioxide removed plus CH2 double bonded CH, CH2OH. In this case, again OH and H removed. Now, what is the name of this compound? Which is methyl salicylate. Iodex. Here OH, H removed. which is phenyl salicylate. Salol. Here OH and H. Look, in this case, why this stuff is not removing? Because the reagent is acetic acid. If the reagent is acetic acid, look, if the reagent is acetic acid, then H and OH removal takes place. So what you get? Here H, here OH, and this stuff is, this one is acetyl salicylic acid, which is called aspirin. In this case, again OH and H. Now this becomes chiral center. That means image is also possible. Again OH and H. Okay. So this type of compound can possible. Any doubt regarding this part? So esterification reactions completed. Esterification reactions completed. Now we are moving to the next part, that is a SNAE reaction. That means substitution through addition elimination. SNAE, substitution nucleophile addition elimination. Okay. Now in this case, how can I write RC double bonded OLG leaving group HNU? This nucleophile attacked here, this one close, this one here, this one removed. So we can write R C double bonded O NU. Is it clear? And other stuff, that means HLG will be removed. So in this case, rate of SNAE, which is inversely proportional to 1 by hindrance of carbon. Okay. Now complete the following. Question number 1. In this case, rate is given R1. This question is compare R1 and R2. Solve it. How can you solve? First one I am doing. Look, which one is the living group? This one is the living group. This one is a nucleophile. So nucleophile addition takes place, nothing else. Here, instead of Cl, OH will be added. Again, similar. Here, Cl removes, one hydrogen removes, NH2 is added. Solve it. Okay. Giving you 10-minute time. Done. Now look, this stuff, how can you solve? Just remove Cl and H. What you get? R C double bonded O, O R prime. In this case, OR you have to remove and H you have to remove. Other stuff you have to add. That means, now what are the byproduct? HOR prime. That means this one is the alcohol. In this case, what are the byproduct? HCl. Again, suppose this one is a removal group. That means this group removed. You get this one. And one H added with this negative charge. So you get another product like this one. Again, next is OR and H removed. R prime OH. OH and H removed. In this case, just comes here, remove. Okay. Here, this one removed and where this H removed. So you get RNH2 and other stuff is RC double bonded O OH. Here OH minus comes here, this one comes here, this one here, this one here. So you can write carbon CH2, CH2 minus CH2, C double bonded O OH. Again, when this takes one H plus ion, it gives CH3, CH2, C double bonded O OH. Again, OH minus comes here, this one comes here, this one. So you get similar type of compounds, so only one carbon increases. Here OH minus attacked here, this one like this way, and CX removed. So you get RC double bonded OH plus CX3 minus. These CX3 minus can accept H plus ion, it gives CH3. Okay, is it clear? Any doubt regarding this part? Tell me. Do you have any doubt? This stuff is clear? Okay, all of you clear? So these two reactions, these two different type of reactions already completed. Okay, and next class is on Wednesday, tomorrow. Tomorrow is your next class. The timing is 8 to 9. Okay. Is it clear? Any doubt? Shruti, Raghav, Manish, any doubt regarding this part? Tell me.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Okay. Then bye. Tomorrow we'll meet again. Okay.